Hello again. I told you I was going to make another video about our power words in our new book that we're going to be reading tomorrow. So this book is called Suki's Kimono. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the power words, and as I'm telling you the power words, I want you to be thinking in your mind first, what kind of text do you think this is? Okay? That's been a question that we've gotten on the packet work a lot. What kind of text is this? I'm going to tell you, but I want you to think about it while I'm reading these power words. And then, second question to think, what do you think Suki's going to do in this story? So, let me read the power words, and maybe you can answer those questions a little bit better, okay? The first one is approve. Approve. If you approve of something, you think it's right or good. This one you're going to laugh at. Weird. Something or someone that is weird is odd or strange. Is that guy weird? I mean, he has a watermelon on his head and goggles. It's a little weird. The next one is copied. If you copied someone, you did something the same way that person did. You ever heard of a copycat? A copycat copies somebody. Copied. Quivered. Your body shakes because you feel cold, scared, or excited. Quivered. Quivered. Oh, I love this next one. Flutter. If things flutter, they move back and forth quickly like wings. Can you think of something else that flutters? Folds. The folds in cloth are the curved shapes you see on the parts that are not flat. So folds. Ooh, I like this one too. Swayed. If you swayed your arms, you moved them slowly back and forth. What's swaying in this picture? Palm trees. Ooh. Grumbled. If you grumbled, you spoke in a low voice in an unhappy way. Looks like she's saying, I don't want to bite. Grumbled. Has anyone ever grumbled when your mom or dad or grandma and grandpa tried to feed you spinach or green beans or broccoli? I love all those veggies. Anyone else? So those are our power words. Okay, you're going to hear those in our story. So, Suki's Kimono, all of those power words I just showed you and read to you are in this book. So think about it. What do you think Suki is going to do in this story? You will find out tomorrow.